Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is the first time you're watching me, then hi, my name is Leyda, but you can call me Ley for easier, for shorter, for better. As you guys saw on the title of this video, I am going to be doing this look right here that I have. It's the classic red lip with the wing liner look. It came out fantastic, but let me say, I did have some trouble throughout the wing liner part, so you guys will be seeing that later on. I tried new products, so we all know that can either go fantastic or it can go completely wrong, and it kind of did go a little wrong for me, but I fixed it and my eyeliner is thick as hell, but girl, I look cute, so it doesn't matter. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. To start off, I'm going to go in the Pro Conceal Concealer in the color Natural. And you guys know that this is like my favorite base. I used to use the NYX one, and I've mentioned that a couple of times in my other videos. I'm almost out. Oh my god, I went to the store and I was going to buy one, but I was like, no, todavía tengo. Oh my god. Okay, but anyway, so this is like my all-time favorite. I used to use the NYX one, pero se me acabó. It, you know, I need to stop saying being bilingual right now. But anyway, it was, how do you say se te acabó in English? I'm having a brain fart. Hold on. How do you say that? Like, it was done. It was finished. It was, oh, I ran out of it. There we go. I was like, what the hell? Anyway, so I ran out of my NYX concealer, and that one was really good. But I do love using this for my eyelids. It's just really creamy, and it's just a perfect base. And yeah, honestly, this is like my all-time favorite. I definitely recommend you guys go get this. Anyway, so I'm going to take my Morphe sponge and I'm just going to blend this out. You can use this, a brush if you want to, but if not, then you can just use your sponge. So once I have that blended out, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contour palette in the color 750A Caramel Toffee. And I'm going to use the lighter one to set my eyes. Once we have set our eyes, I'm going to go in the Tartelette in Bloom palette from Tarte. I'm going to go in the Smarty Pants color. And it's this one right here, but I'm just going to go in and use this as my transition color. And I'm going to kind of focus it also on the outer corners, since I am going to be doing just like a kind of half-cut crease smoky eye. The next color that I'm going to take is the color Rebel, and it's this kind of like a pinkish brown kind of color. I don't know, it's orangey pink brown. It's kind of weird, I don't know. But I'm going to stick it more onto the corner, the outer corner of the eyes and on the crease, just to deepen the color up some. Okay, so I didn't want to go too dark into it. I think this is perfect. It's still pretty, you know, it's a little bit darker than I usually would do it, but it's not too dark. So next, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, and I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Sand. I'm going to put some on my hand, and I'm just going to cut the crease. So after I get done doing my concealer, I always pat it over with a different brush, a clean brush, and I just literally all I do is just tap it, and it kind of like takes away the excess concealer, and it like I don't know what it does, but it really works for me, and I really like that technique, and it helps me once I need to blend out the corners. So I really focus it on the end so that it won't like leave a dark or ugly and not blended edge. So once I have that on there, I'm going to go ahead and put the Rebel color on the corner and just blend it out before I set the whole entire thing. Okay, so once I have that color on there, I'm going to go in the color Charmer, which is that white color on the very end right here. And I'm going to use that to set the eyelid part where we did the cut crease. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and do the eyeliner. And actually, I'm going to try a new eyeliner. So I got this when I went to Sephora. I got my birthday kit. And they had an option of like some skincare and this Kat Von D little kit. And in the kit, it was like the tattoo liner, which is what I'm going to be using right now. And some setting powder. And 3 little lippies. Samples of lippies. So this is what I got. And I'm going to try this out. If it doesn't work out though, I will go back to my NYX. But let's try it out first. And let's see how it goes. I'm going to go in my NYX because the other one, I feel like it's too loose and I have no control over it. Look at that. That's disgusting. I didn't get to finish it because obviously I didn't feel comfortable in it. The way, I don't know, the marker. It's kind of like a marker. And I don't like this shit. And it made my inner corner really thick, and I freaking hate that because that's supposed to be pretty thin. But it fucked it up for me. Okay, so I had a lot of trouble because that freaking liner made my inner corner really, really thick. And so my eyeliner game in general is like really fucking thick right now. But we're gonna make it work because I cannot waste this video. Okay? So we're gonna pretend that So we're gonna pretend that my eyeliner isn't as thick as it seems. And we're just gonna roll with it. To refresh my face, I'm gonna be using the Rebound by Urban Decay Prep and Priming Spray. For moisturizer, I am going to be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. And this is what it looks like. A lot of you may know and remember this bad boy from the summertime. It was like my go-to moisturizer. And I finally restocked on it. And your girl's using it again. It's fucking amazing. And it's so refreshing. It feels amazing on the skin. I am honestly obsessed with this, especially because I feel like my skin gets really dry in this like front part. Whoa. My skin gets like really dry in this front area, and then my nose is like super oily. But like this section right here, it's really dry. For primer, I'm going to go in the Professional Primer. I got this mini one again. I wanted to try out a lot of makeup, but I didn't want to get this full size and then hate it. So I got the mini in this, and let me tell you guys, I fucking fell in love with this. So I will be restocking on that as well. It's really, really good, and ever since I started wearing this, it's literally changed my looks. Soy bien pinche colado. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the color 310. And I'm also going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation in the color Caramel. So to conceal under my eye, I'm going to go in the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Medium, as well as in the color Sand in the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And then I'm also going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe for bronzing. So for the setting powder, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder, loose powder, in the color Medium, which is number 25. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the color 310. And for bronzer, I am going to go in the Hoola from Benefit bronzer. For blush, I'm going to go in the Professional Blush Tin Color Blush Palette by BH Cosmetics. And it just has a bunch of blushes. I am going to go in this rosy pink right here on this end. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the eye right now. I'm going to go in the lower lash line. And I'm going to apply the Rebel color on the bottom. So now, for inner corner and highlight, I'm going to be using my new highlighter that I got. It is by the brand Mayan Gold, and it's actually in the color Mayan Gold. I am so stoked because I tried this the other day. It's fucking beautiful, you guys. Blinding as heck. But you gotta be careful because it is a loose highlighter. This is what it looks like. I'm scared I'm going to like dump it everywhere. Can y'all see? See, lo ven? Can y'all see that? It's really freaking pretty, you guys. It's honestly really... I'm like talking all in it and it's like... And I'm just going to grab some on my little brush. And I'm just going to put it in my inner corner. And you guys, do y'all see that? Oh my god, que bonito. It's so pretty. It's like literally blinding, you guys. A little goes a long way. So now I did recently get a discount code with them, which you can use. I am going to be purchasing something new that she just launched on her website. It's the Agua de Rosas or something like that. I haven't really seen it really well, but she posts about it and I've really been wanting to try it, especially because summer is right around the corner. So it is a rose water with shimmer in it, I guess you can say. It's really fucking cute and I really want to try it because, girl, I want to be popping in the freaking summer, right? Who doesn't want to be all glowy and shit? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my cheek. I want y'all to see. Y'all see that? It's fucking beautiful. Oh my god. It's so fucking pretty. And I am using a BH Cosmetic brush in number 18. This is my favorite highlighting brush. So I will leave my discount code down here below as well as in the link in the bottom. If you guys want to go check out her website, I'll also leave that link down below. She has 3 amazing highlighters. They're loose highlighters. But you can, you know, if you have never tried them, I definitely would go ahead and try them. I think the one that I bought, the Mayan Gold one, is a little bit more expensive than the other ones. I think it's like 14 and the other ones are 12. But it is definitely worth it. I really like this one. For my next one, I want to purchase the Starlight, I believe it's called. And the, like I said, the water. The rose water. and I'm really freaking excited. But yes, definitely go check out her website as well as her Instagram. She is an amazing makeup artist. On top of everything, she's not only just came out with her freaking makeup brand, but she's an amazing makeup artist. She does really bomb makeup. Oh my god, this is fucking cute. This is like my all-time favorite. Look how fucking cute my nose looks. It's like okay, so I gotta stop because me voy a echar todo el pinche can. Okay, so we're gonna close this before I make a mess or spill it. And now I'm just going to apply my lipstick. And today's lipstick, we're gonna be using the liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild, and it's the liquid catsuit in the color Missy and Fierce, and it's this red color right here. So I need to hurry up because my battery is about to fucking die. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyelashes, and then I'll be right back with you guys ya cuando termine todo. So guys, this is the final result. I'm in love with my look, as I am always. And it's just, girl, I look kind of good. This thick eyeliner, it worked out. It always does. It's because my eyelashes are like really big, and then I have pretty big eyelid space, so you know I can afford the big mess up eyeliner. I just, girl, I look kind of girl, I look kind of good. Anyway, so I am wearing earrings, something that I've been trying to start up again. So I remember I told you guys on my 50 facts about me, I have my ears pierced. I had 5 here, I had 1 in the middle, and that one closed out completely. I couldn't recover that one, but I did reopen these 2, and they just got some cute little diamond earrings, obviously not real, but whatever. And then I got the 2 on the top, and these earrings, the stone ones, the little ones are from Walmart, I think, and these are from Forever 21. These are really cute. I didn't know where the heck I would wear this, but now that I like have it on, it makes me feel like bougie as fuck. So this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share this video as well. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.